kwa sababu ya hawa kina mama wengine hawana makao, hawana chakula.
Who is crying to have that one dress because they don't have. I know many times when we say that she was building a place where the orphans could get education.
Na I'm sure Trans Nzoia mmeanza kuelewa kwa nini ninakimbia na huyu mtoto wangu wa kiume na kumtetea. Because when I do that, I'm also standing and advocating for the progress of the society and not for extinction. If those boys are not there, we are heading for extinction. And you look at Africa mzima, our boys are drunk, they are not sober, they are in internal conflicts. They are dying every day. We must do something. And the only person who is able to bring this to pass. Kwa hivyo kama kanisa tujibidishe, tuone tumeokoa mtoto mvulana. Mutanisaidia? Mutanisaidia?